If you need to update your phone number on your Chase Bank account, follow these simple steps to ensure your contact information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account summary. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile Settings, look for an option labeled Contact Information or Personal Information. Click on this option to access your current phone number details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the field that displays your current phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided space, ensuring it is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click this button to confirm the changes and ensure your new contact information is saved. Make sure to check your email or phone for any confirmation messages from Chase Bank regarding the update. Keeping your contact information current is essential for account security and communication.